We're going to demonstrate the search and rescue feature on the Simrad NSS Evo 3S. Here we have a CMap chart with the custom depth shading to show the different depths. And this is the island of Tabarka, and we're going to create a transect route that the autopilot will follow. So the first thing we need to do is enable the feature, and we're going to do that by going to Advanced Features. I'm going to scroll to the bottom here and enable the search and rescue feature. Okay? We can close that out and go back to our chart. We know from local knowledge that seagrass grows in these shallow areas by the island. So we're going to set up a search and rescue pattern or a transect pattern for the boat to follow with the autopilot. So we're going to touch the first corner of where we want to travel with the boat, and we're going to create a new search pattern. The thing that we want to edit here, we need to think about is what transect width do we want to travel? And let's just start with 50 meters. We hit OK. And we're just going to get this started. We can always edit it later. We just hit Start Search. What this is going to do, it's going to put a large search pattern here that we're going to edit to fit within the area that we want. So the corners are noted as A, here's B, C, and D, and we're going to change that. Okay, so A is in the right spot, but we want to change where B, C, and D are. So we're going to touch where we want B, and we're going to go to our search pattern, and we're going to set B to cursor. Okay, and then this is where the corner of the seagrass bed is, that we believe it is, and that is D. And then this is C. There you can see a pattern, and maybe we want to switch it to go in the other direction. To do that, edit, direction, creeping, and hit Start Search. That flips it around, and maybe we're happy with this, and so we want to convert this to a route. The route is what the autopilot is going to use to map this area out. So we want to convert that to a route. And there you go. Now we don't need that search pattern anymore. We can actually clear that out. The route has been established. So we're just going to hit cancel. And there is our transects. That's what the autopilot is going to follow. And we can create a map of our seagrass.